Welcome to Ask an Expert, where a technical product expert answers questions from our customers. Hello, this is John Appleson, Marketing Manager with Pepperl+Fuchs. So welcome, Zach, and thanks for being here.
Hi, John. Thanks for asking me.
Zach, the first question asks about the voltage drop in a circuit. This customer installed four NJ40 U4W inductive sensors and used a 3-amp fuse, 14-gauge wire, and the circuit is about 30 feet in length. He sends out 128 volts and only receives 106 volts back. He states that his load is a relay coil. Can you explain what is happening?
If you look at the data sheet for that NJ40 sensor, you will see that it lists the voltage drop per sensor at about 5 volts. So if you have 4 sensors connected in series, you would expect to lose around 20 volts, which is what they are experiencing. The number of sensors that you can connect in series is limited by the voltage drop across each sensor, the supply voltage, and the operating voltage of the load.
This customer would like to know if the NBB4 F1 E0 inductive sensor comes in a different frequency to eliminate mutual interference. Zach, can you please share your thoughts on this?
One of the features of the F1 series inductive sensors is Crosstalk Immunity. This is only for the flush mountable or shielded versions, but you are able to order multiples of the same model without fear of mutual interference.
Zach, this customer has a thru-beam sensor, the SLA29, and he needs to change the direction of the beam to allow modification to a barrier safety system. What can you recommend here?
For this application, we offer a deviation mirror designed for use with the single beam safety sensors. The model is SLA-1-M, and this will allow you to deflect the beam to cover multiple sides of an area with a single thru-beam pair.
This customer wants to know if we have an inductive proximity sensor that is suitable for Class 1, Division 1.
We do offer one inductive sensor model that is UL and CSA approved for Class 1 Division 1 without the use of a barrier. The model is 973EX4WI-A10T and is an AC-DC sensor with a 30 mm diameter and 7 mm sensing range. It would still need to be wired in accordance to the guidelines set up for hazardous locations.
Here's a unique question. This customer would like to know if we have a wire draw displacement sensor. If yes, what is the model? If not, what are his options?
Our option for wire draw displacement would be a combination of two products, a rotary encoder paired with a cable pull. The cable pull accessory can be used with any encoder models that feature a 58 mm diameter housing, but there are some exceptions such as the 36 mm analog encoders which can also be used. The encoders are a solid shaft style, and there are cable pull models for either a 6 mm or 10 mm shaft size. Even the cable pull wire is available in various lengths, so we can configure a solution for any wire draw displacement application.
Well, that concludes this segment of Ask an Expert. I'd like to thank Zach for joining me today and thank our audience as well. For additional information, here are 5 easy ways to connect with us.